Hey friends, in this video, I will explain how to use Lightsail as your own VPN server. Let's start video. Open Amazon Web Services console. On the head, AWSamazon.com. Go here to Open Management Console. Make sure to log in. This is the Management Console. The important reason to use Lightsail instead of EC2, EC2 has data transfer bills, so you can't afford bills of EC2 instance if you only use for VPN purposes. Otherwise EC2 is good enough. Then on the find services, search Lightsail. Here you find Lightsail, open that. Yeah, Lightsail says good afternoon. My time is good afternoon. I'm recording this at 1 p.m. afternoon section. So that says good afternoon. And here, this is my two default instance I'm using. Then create instance. Here's the instance location. Change the instance location based on your wish. Nearest server for low latency and high speed data. There are two types of people those need VPN. First, the people who need to unlock sites and some Proxpy websites can select any region for their needs. Second, the people needs faster data, low latency and static IP from Amazon Web Services. This VPN is great for second types of people and a bit lower grade, and the first people can use, but they need to waste their time to selecting that again and again. Yeah, okay. I'm selecting Singapore region now. Then select the platform as operating system only and select any Ubuntu you need. I'm selecting this 18.04 version. If you need SSH key, you can create and save it. Here's that great offer. This price is $3.5 per month, 512 megabytes of RAM, 1 core of CPU and 20 GB of SSD. There is 1 TB of data transfer per month. Download and upload are totally 1 TB per month. If you use more than 1 TB per month, please go with $5 plan. I'm not changing the name, let it be. Then create instance. Yeah, now that done, let's wait to launch. This may usually take 1 minute to 5 minutes, so please wait. Now it came now it become running status. Then click the name. Go to the networking. Under the networking, here's the firewall. Allow all the traffics over the firewall, store all protocols, then create it. Then create static IP. If you create static IP, you won't face any disconnect in your VPN. That's very important. Static IP is also free. The static IP is only free when that instance was connected. If you stop your instance, then you need to pay for static IP. Make sure to delete your static IP after you are deleting your instance. Create it. You can change your IP name too. Now go to the home back. I am now just going to use this on the browser terminal. Yeah, okay. Connecting to your instance. Yeah, now connected. The memory load. Yeah, this is all information, my IP and showing all these things. Now open next tab and type getoutline.org. I will give this link in description below. Please check that. In this video we are not using out we are using the outline VPN, not using OpenVPN, because this seems too good and I'm used. The speed is also great. Download it. I already downloaded. Let me close it. Let me open Outline Manager. Open. Outline Manager window appears. Go to press the plus icon and select the DigitalOcean. Is very easy way, but I don't have DigitalOcean account and the prices is lesser than DigitalOcean. Minimum plan is $5 per month and the Amazon Light Sale, that is $3.5 per month. Let's set up. Copy this whole file to your terminal. Ctrl plus C, copy, then press and paste. Enter. Install Docker. Yes. Now this copy and pasted command downloading the Docker and installing, extracting after installing. Let's wait what will happen. Yeah, okay, now done. Congratulations, your outline server is up and running. Yeah, now that started. Now copy this link. This is your permanent connectivity link. Copy it. Then paste it here. After pasting, press the done. Here's that connected. After this is the outline server, press this. Then press connect this device. Copy. If this is Outline Manager, you are not installed Outline app, install that. I was already installed. See that. Here's that Outline Manager and Outline. So I'm copy this, install it, add server. Here's that says access key detected, add server. Server is added. Now let's connect to the server. Here's the IP address. And connecting on PC takes little bit of time, but on mobile that takes 2 and more than 5 seconds to connect it. Now that shows that's connected. This is the IP 3.1.172.29 and port 5501 is the active port. Now that's connected. Let's check if our VPN is working fine or not. Here's that same IP. Let's check that. Public IP is properly same. Let's type what's my IP. Now enter. Here see, this is my public IP 3.1. My IP and see my light sale IP are both are same. Now let's just open this. What's my IP? This showing us Amazon.com, city Singapore. I selected Singapore instance. They're showing proper address. Let's open speed test. Because we need to check all the data traffic going over this VPN. So let's start. Here's that Amazon and the IP address are both are same. It's the IP address, this IP address and this IP address are same. Let's start. Anyway, my speed is very low. Now I am far away from my router, so I am getting 13 Mbps out of 15 Mbps. Even the speeds of VPN is very amazing. Okay, let's close this. Friends, the final thing, you just able to use this VPN for just 1 month. Don't worry, I will give the link to claim the $300 Amazon Web Services credit. Then you can start using that credit for this VPN and other purposes. I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye.